Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubra here, and I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys a brief explanation on 1688 dashboard, okay? But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation using 1688, you'll get notified. And also, if you would like to be a successful procurement agent or you want to learn how to import without using agent, you can easily connect with me on WhatsApp via the number right here if you are interested to join my paid training, or if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen of this video. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started and see how you can understand your 1688 HAB dashboard without any stress. So follow me. So I'm going to head over to my 1688 HAB right here. Okay, a brief overview I'm going to explain to you guys as far as 1688 dashboard is concerned. Okay, I'm going to start from the very point here. This point here, any product you have at this point, it means that the product you have not made payment for. Okay, so once you pay successful, the product moves to this page. Okay, then immediately the product moves to this page and the seller is aware that you have made a successful payment and the product moves to this page. Once product moves to this page, this simply means that the product is on transit. Okay, at this point here, this is where you give a feedback to any product that you have successfully received, or your shipping company has been received it from China warehouse. At the last point here, this is where you ask for a refund or you track your refund. If eventually the product was not delivered to your shipping address or the product quality is not okay, you can ask for a refund at this point right here. Okay, let's go at this top here. This is the product you are favorite. Maybe when you are browsing or you are searching for products from the 1688 HAB homepage, the products you had to your favorite, so you're going to see them right here. This page right here serve as the product you have purchased in the past. Maybe the product still on transit or you have not given feedback to the product. It's going to be found right here. So from the last point here, this is where you see your browsing history. Maybe you have opened up some product page and you have not made purchase from the particular product, so it's going to move down there. Down below right here, this is the box that you can use to contact 1688 customer support without any stress. This is everything you need to understand as far as your 1688 dashboard is concerned, most especially if you are a procurement agent or you are buying by yourself without using agent. This is everything you need to understand as far as your dashboard is concerned on 1688 HAB. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel for more China importation tutorial and some other country importation tutorial. If you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp, you are interested to join my paid training, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen of this video. If you also want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.